What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So when you think of credit cards, you probably think of two things: debt and capturing rewards. And some people like to go all in on the capturing rewards portion to where they don't understand exactly how much they're putting on themselves by doing that. So they'll start with, the gold card, they'll start with all of these annual fee cards that they have to pay and, balance it out with the bonuses that they get and all of the rewards. But they don't really understand how things work and how you should be using those cards because they're using it on miscellaneous spending. So I wanted to talk about the number one starter credit card for you, for anybody out there, the one that I really started with when it comes to credit cards and my wife started with as well. It's a great card for every single person, whether you're a student, whether you're just starting out with credit cards, whether you're 58 years old, 79 years old, however old you are. It's a great credit card to start with. So we'll get into this in just a second. Before I start, hit the like button. Also hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one. And make sure you get your free stocks down below in the description. Now, what is the card that I'm talking about? Could you take a guess? If you do have a guess, make sure you put your guess down below and don't, wait for me to say it. Pause it right here. Put your guess down below. I really want to know exactly what you think. But I'm going to be saying the card in 3, 2, 1. It's the Discover It cashback card. This is the number one card to start with, and I'll tell you all of the reasons why. Some people say that you should go with something that has the most rewards or cashback on everyday purchases. I don't believe that you should be doing that because it teaches you how to spend frivolously. It teaches you how to spend, all of your money on miscellaneous spending rather than spending it on select categories. This is what you really want to understand, is how to spend your money in the right areas so that you can gain rewards on the money that you're already spending. So it's true bonus money, it's true free money when you're already spending it in that area. Now, what does the Discover It cashback card offer you? Now, you'll get a number of things. The main thing that you'll get from this is 5% revolving categories. This is something that I talk about all the time, I use all the time, as long as it doesn't overlap with other cards that I have. But 5% is a no-brainer. If you get it on Amazon, you can get it with the Amazon credit card. But if you get it with the Discover card, you can get it on Amazon, you can get it on groceries, you can get it on gas. There's so many different areas to where you would spend in normal spending categories that you can get free money. So 5% back is definitely a great thing, and then 1% back on all of your purchases is good as well. So if you do have bills that don't fall under these categories and you understand where you should be putting your money, then 1% definitely comes into play as well. Now, another thing that you want to take advantage of when it comes to this starter credit card is 2 times cashback match. So they're going to basically take that 5% that you had in the first year and they're going to match it, percent for percent, dollar for dollar. You're going to be able to match that cash back that you get back. So if you get back $70, you're going to get back $140 in the year. So this is definitely a great card for you to start and understand the benefits of rewards and how you can take advantage of a credit card that gives you these rewards. They offer it for a reason, so why not use it the right way? They expect people to use these credit cards in the wrong way, but this credit card really teaches you. It's more of, let's say the college level of credit cards. It teaches you everything you need to know, and then you could jump into the field with more experienced credit cards, more things that you would have to strategically map out in order to spend in the right areas, kind of like the gold card. You have a $250 annual fee. Where are you going to spend all of that money in order to make up that $250 annual fee? So for this, I say this is hands down the best starter credit card. And I said in the past that the Wells Fargo Propel card was the best starter credit card. I think that's probably one of the best credit cards out there, but I don't think it's the best starter credit card. It does offer you cash back in specific areas, but this will teach you every single month to go in here, understand what they're offering in the quarter, understand your spending and how you're going to apply your spending to those categories, and then go from there. So you're adjusting every single quarter, you're learning every single quarter, rather than having set 3 times on gas, or 2 times on gas, or 1.5% or 2% on every single purchase. So I feel like the Discover It cashback card is definitely the best starter card for you. For someone that's in college, definitely you need to go for this card after your secured card, because the secured card teaches you a lot more. You need to go for this because you'll learn a little bit more after that. So that's my video, guys. Let me know exactly what you think about it. If you were right as well, comment on your comment and let me know. Just say, oh, I was wrong, I thought it was this for this reason, or whatever. I really want to know exactly what you think. So that's my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that if you are in the market for a credit card, you go out and get the Discover card. I also have some links to Amex cards down below, the referral links. So if you use those, I'll get a kickback, you'll get a kickback. It's always good. But that's it, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and get your free stocks in the description below. But I'm going to get out of here. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.